Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I like to make my apple cider donuts. I know these were really meant more for like October, November, but honestly I just like with everything that's happened, I have no desire to do anything. As you could see, I still have like fall stuff up. I didn't even put anything up for Christmas, but they're delicious, and I thought I made this already. It's a shame if I don't share it with you. It's snowing outside as I'm making them, but not now. I made them before, but so I know it's weird to share, but I wanted to share them with you, and I hope you guys have happy holidays and you give this recipe a try.
Center of attention, they all want some. I'm like fire, hot as the sun. The dance floor is burning, call 911. Hands on my body, I'm loving the heat, but it won't come easy, nothing's for free. If you want me, then prove it, baby.